Most people think of artificial intelligence as something futuristic, maybe even a little intimidating. But in reality, it's already part of everyday life. From smart apps to voice assistants to how we navigate traffic, AI works quietly behind the scenes, helping us make choices, save time, and stay connected. So what is AI? Put simply, it's the ability of machines to learn from data and make predictions. It mimics certain aspects of human intelligence, but at an incredible scale and speed. Whether it's recommending a show to watch or helping streamline your online shopping, AI is constantly learning and adapting. But it's not just about convenience, it's reshaping how we live and work. As someone who's spent over 20 years working in education and college advising, I've seen firsthand how technology, especially AI, is changing the way we teach and learn. Educators today are using AI to personalize lessons, support different learning styles, and help students reach their full potential. In healthcare, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. And in day-to-day life, it's powering everything from digital banking to how we plan meals. For me, the shift into AI wasn't just professional, it was personal. I've been fortunate to publish books that support teens and parents on their academic journey, from middle school success to college admissions. Over the years, my work has appeared in outlets like US News, collegecoveredstudy.com, and care.com. I have served on editorial boards for national organizations like ASCA and NACAC, but I wanted to do more. That's why I pursued certifications in AI and data fundamentals through IBM. With my background in engineering and interactive design, I saw an opportunity to bring new tools to the table, tools that can truly empower learners and families, especially those who've been underserved. AI isn't just for coders or tech companies. It's for teachers who want to reach every student. It's for parents juggling busy schedules. It's for small business owners trying to make smart decisions. It's for anyone looking to understand the world a little better. But to use AI wisely, we need a new kind of literacy. It's not just knowing what it can do, it's understanding how to ask questions, evaluate results, and make choices that align with our values. That's where education plays a key role. If you're wondering whether AI is relevant to you, it is. You don't need to be an expert to start. You just need curiosity and a willingness to explore. That first step can open the door to new possibilities, new tools, and new confidence in navigating change. Because learning what matters today helps shape tomorrow. Thank you for watching.